So dear students, today I will be discussing about alcohols and alcohols, phenols, ethers entrance questions. So we will see the shortcuts on how to do it fast. So I'm just stopping the video for the internet purpose, or else it will take more bandwidth. First thing, very important questions we'll do. The first question we'll do it in the last. I think you'll be able to see the screen here. Correct. It's very important. Phenols are highly acidic compared to alcohols due to what? First option, the higher molecular mass of the phenols. Second option, stronger hydrogen bonds in phenols. Third option, something strong conjugate base. And fourth option, phenoxide ion is resonance stabilized. Okay. So coming to this, I have always said, I think in the previous videos or whatever it is, especially the key word here is resonance. I'll explain in detail, but the key word here is what? Resonance. If I see resonance in the option, which means it's more stable. First thing is what? Stabilization. Stabilization. Second thing is what? More acidic. Acid property is more. Acidic character increases with resonance because it is what? More stable. Okay. So coming to this, first thing here is what? Highly acidic. Highly acidic in the sense, what is our keyword here? Resonance. So option D is the correct answer. This is how in entrance we have to do it fast. Okay, but a detailed explanation of this I'll tell you. The question is what? Phenols are highly acidic compared to alcohols due to what? Correct? Yes? So the basic or the textbook explanation or the NCERT explanation what I can give you is what? Phenols react with sodium, potassium, correct? All are what? What is sodium, potassium? Active metals. Correct? To form phenoxide. To form what? Phenoxide. Yes? So there is something called EWG, electron withdrawing group. EWG, correct? So the presence of electron withdrawing group, the presence of EWG, what it will do? It will increase the acidity of phenol. Acidity of phenol by what? Stabilizing the phenoxide ion. Stabilizing the phenoxide ion. So first thing is phenols react with active metals to form what? Phenoxide. Correct? To form phenoxide. This full stop. This active metals is with this. Correct? So then the presence of electron withdrawing group increases with what? The acidity of phenol by stabilizing the phenoxide ion. Clear? Then second thing is, you can also, one more learning from this question is what? Electron donating group. Electron donating group, if it is there, then it will decrease the acidity. Because it destabilizes the resonance. Correct? Yes? If there is electron donating group, then acidity will be less. Acidity will be less because it is destabilizing resonance. Ignore the spelling mistake or whatever it is, but I hope you understood. But the important thing in entrance is, it's good to know everything, but it's very important for us to know what we have to know. we have to know what are the key points. Highly acidic. Resonance is there. Resonance means what? Stabilization and more acidic in nature. This is our first thought in our mind. Then we can ignore all the other options. This is how we have to push forward. Let me see if there is similar question in this paper. Okay, for that, let me clear it. So option D is the answer for the first question. Suppose we are not knowing, no need to worry, I'll help you out at the end of the session. But I'm happy for the student who has given me the correct answer also. Let me see any other questions is there. Yeah. Eighth question. The ionization constant of phenol is more than that of ethanol because first one, phenoxide ion is stronger base than ethoxide ion. Second one, phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. C, ethoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. D, phenoxide ion is aromatic while ethoxide is aliphatic. So I want all of you to give me the right option in the chat. What do you think is the correct answer? Just now we discussed regarding the phenoxide ion or the formation of phenoxide. Phenols react with active metals to form what? Phenoxide. So can you tell me in chat option which is the correct option for this question? Yes. I think I got the correct option. Perfect. 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 Samidhi, what is your answer? Very good. Perfect. So it's option B. So now you can see the thing, right? Now we know the keyword properly. Stabilized by resonance. This is how we have to approach. Okay. And make sure that we do a research on each of the option in the internet. Once session is over, I'll be sharing the PDF. Do a thorough research. Why it is happening, why that is happening. Then chemistry, no one can beat you at chemistry. Clear. Now coming to our next question. So I hope you understood the concept behind this. Next question is pretty much easy. Yeah. Third question. Arrangement of the following compound based on their boiling points in the increasing order. N-butane, 1-butanol, ethoxyethane, and 1-propanol. Okay, so this is our question. So this I'll help you out directly, rather making you think too much. First thing is we have to eliminate the options. So in entrant, it's all about what? Eliminating the wrong option. Correct? Yes or no? Yes. And this is arrangement of boiling points in increasing order. First thing is, you can see here, alcohol here, alcohol here. And what is here? N-butane and N-butane, which is what? An alkane. An alkane. Correct? So the alkane is having the least boiling point. Correct? Is having the least boiling point. But you can see here in the first option, N-butane is there in the second. So this is gone. Option 1 is wrong, gone. What about option D? Again here, this should be in the last. But here also, this is also gone because it's not the last. Because alkane cannot have a boiling point more than that of an alcohol. Then it is always between B and C. Option A and option D are deleted. It is always between what option B and option C. Correct? I'll come to the options. C. In coming to the butanol, here both of these thing is what one butanol is there. Then we have got something called ethoxy ethane. Correct? Ethoxy ethane. So what is the ethoxy ethane? We have to know what is the ethoxy ethane, right? Ethoxy ethane is what? It is a ether, respectively. Correct? Yes. So ethers has got a higher boiling point compared to that of higher boiling point compared to that of higher boiling point compared to the what? N alkanes. N alkanes. Correct? Yes. Now, I also know one thing. This is my one point. And my second point here is what? Ethoxy, ethane, I told you what it's in ether. So it is having a higher boiling point compared to N alkane. Second thing in boiling point is more the molecular mass. This already I told in the class. More the molecular mass, more the boiling point. So common sense. Butane is there, propane is there. Correct? Only after propane only what will come? Butane will come. Yes? Only after propane only what? Butane will come. So butane will have, or butanol will have what? More boiling point compared to the propanol. And then it will have more boiling point compared to ethoxy ethane. That is my ether. Correct? That will be having more than N alkane. That is this. So my option will be what? Option B. Option B it will be. But option A and option D I'm deleting directly. Why? Because N-butane, it has been put in the second. So this has been already deleted. It's always between B and C. Okay. And again, coming ethers, there is an exception also. So you will have a doubt why this B and C, you might have a doubt. Ethers, there are exceptions too. I'll tell you what is exceptions also in this particular. Because there's a lot of learnings from this particular MCQ. See, the boiling point, the BP is boiling point, correct, of lower ethers, like ethoxy ethane and all. That is called lower ethers, ethoxy ethane. Methoxy methane, ethoxy ethane and all, lower ethers, correct? That is only slightly higher than N alkanes. There are exceptions in this. Okay. Fourth one is easy. Again, we'll do it in the last. Fifth one. Correct. So for the fifth one, it's a textbook direct question. Phenol is distant. Phenol. So if you don't know what is phenol, then gone. Okay. Benzene ring with OH. That's all. So I hope you guys know it. Suppose if you don't, I just draw it for you. Phenol is distilled with zinc dust followed by Fiedel-Crafts alkylation with propyl chloride in the presence of aluminum chloride trichloride to give a compound. And B is oxidized in the presence of air to form the compound C. Okay. This is a text to question. Directly, I can do it very fast. First thing is draw the phenol. Correct? Zinc dust. And it's heated. So what I'll get? I'll get a benzene ring. I'll get a benzene ring. And then this is treated with what? Aluminium chloride, AlCl3. Correct? And also what? If you want to see the question, I'll just show you the question again. With propyl chloride in the presence of aluminum trichloride. Propyl chloride. Propyl chloride in the sense, I think you know, propyl should have how many carbon atoms? 3. CH3, CH2, CH2Cl. Correct? Will give me what? Isopropyl benzene. Will give me isopropyl benzene. What is my isopropyl benzene? CH, correct? And this will give me another CH3 and this will give me another CH3. This is my isopropyl benzene. That is my B here. Yes, isopropyl benzene. Compound B. And B is oxidized in presence of air. Air means oxygen to form the compound C. So it's very easy now. This is being oxidized, adding oxygen. Adding oxygen means how many molecules of oxygen are there? 2. So draw this. Again, draw these things. C you put it. CH3 you put it here. CH3 you put it. And put the 2 O's in between this. That's it. That's all. So our correct option should be what? Option B. For this, you have to know the text-to reactions. That's all. Same question. Text-to same question is coming. Okay. So later on, you can copy down these things, not now. If I'm going first, it's just for the completion only. Sixth one. Phenol can be distinguished from ethyl alcohols by using what? This is a yes. Correct answer. FeCl3. Correct answer I got in the chat. Yes. Very good. Correct? Yes. Alcohols do not react with FeCl3. Phenols plus FeCl3 will be what? The violet color. Violet color. Alcohol plus FeCl3 is what? No change. Alcohol plus FeCl3. Nothing. No change. Nothing. No change in color. Nothing. So phenols can be distinguished from ethyl alcohol by using FeCl3. Violet color we'll get. This is again from our salt analysis of class 10 lab. So chemistry lab exam, we have to be very much concentrating. Okay. Very good. This one. The alcohol obtained during the hydrolysis of groundnut oil is glycol, butanol, pentanol, propane, 1, 2, 3, triol. See, the important thing how to answer these kind of questions is groundnut oil, alcohol, correct, obtained. It'll be, and we know groundnut oil has got a lot of fatty acids, correct, higher fatty acids. So what is this higher fatty acids meaning? That's what we would search in net. What is this higher fatty acids? Higher fatty acids in the sense it will have 1, 2, 3. Correct? Try. Then what? 2, 2, 3, 3. So these higher numbers are there, no? Correct? Higher numbers are there in the option. That I have to check. It is option D. This is the entrance trick for it. Higher fatty acids is the keyword for this. Okay, higher fatty acids is the keyword for this. So I'll come down. The 8th question already we discussed. 9th question. This is again a textbook question. But I'll help you out with this. You have to remember about what? Markov-Nikov rule and anti-Markov-Nikov rule. Markov-Nikov rule, anti-Markov-Nikov rule. Why I'm telling you is because alkene is there. Correct? What is there? Alkene is there. So obviously, it should be what? My KOH. Correct? I think is the question clear? Question number 9. This is my haloalkene. Haloalkane. This is my alkene. So B is always what? KOH. So I can eliminate what? First option. Because here it is given PCl5. This is gone. Correct? Then alcohol in presence of what will give me a haloalkane? What is there? Option 1 is anyway gone. It is not chlorines. This is also gone. Correct? Then it is what? These both are PCl5. So this is PCl5. And here I got aqueous, and here it is what? Alcoholic. So it is option D is the answer. Option D is the answer for this. Option D. Very good. I think Alan has been giving me all the right answers. Option D. Very good. I think you prepared and came. Question number 10. Direct question. Direct question. Question number 10. Very good, Alan. Question number 10. Salicylic acid on heating with soda lime gives what? Direct question. Acid. Correct? This is what? Direct question. What is the answer here? The chapter itself is what? Phenol. If you don't know this reaction, or if you don't know what is salicylic acid, I'll draw it for you. Draw a benzene ring. Draw one OH here, correct? Then what is it? COH. This is my salicylic acid. Salicylic acid or whatever it is. Plus my 2NaOH. Correct? Will give me what? My phenol. This is a textbook reaction. This is my textbook reaction. The preparation of phenol. That's it. So with this, I'll come down and I'll help you out. So thank you then. Thank you all.